I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel a subscription on the Apple TV web app, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Apple TV web app. Navigate to the Apple TV web app by entering the URL in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your Apple ID account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to subscriptions. In the account settings menu, look for the subscriptions option and click on it to view all your active subscriptions. Step 4. Select the subscription to cancel. Find the subscription you want to cancel from the list. Click on it to see the details and the option to cancel. Note, if you don't see the cancel option, ensure you are not in a free trial period, as that may affect cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You should receive a confirmation message once it is successfully cancelled. I hope this helps you manage your subscriptions easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.